The 2025 Acura Integra is a compelling blend of performance, style, and practicality, aiming to capture the spirit of its legendary predecessors, while incorporating modern technology and design. This new iteration continues the Integra's legacy, combining sporty aesthetics with everyday usability. Under the hood, the 2025 model features a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-four engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. This engine is paired with either a continuously variable transmission or an available 6-speed manual, catering to driving enthusiasts who appreciate a more engaging experience. The Integra's front-wheel drive platform ensures agile handling, making it suitable for both spirited drives and daily commutes. The exterior design is sleek and sporty, showcasing Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted profile that enhances aerodynamics. The rear features a distinctive hatchback design, providing both style and practicality. The overall aesthetic pays homage to the classic Integra while feeling fresh and contemporary. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused, with high-quality materials and advanced technology. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information at a glance, while the 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium audio options and ambient lighting enhance the driving experience, making every journey enjoyable. Safety features are comprehensive, with Acura's suite of advanced driver assistance systems included. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. In terms of practicality, the hatchback design offers ample cargo space, making it versatile for various needs, whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or just running errands around town. The rear seats fold down easily, expanding the cargo capacity even further. The 2025 Acura Integra stands out not just for its performance and technology, but also for its commitment to the enthusiast driver. With its rich heritage and modern enhancements, it promises to be a compelling option in the compact car segment. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Integra or new to the brand, this model is sure to impress with its combination of style, comfort, and driving excitement. Keep an eye on this one as it hits the market. It's sure to make waves in the automotive community.